Hey there! Are you applying for a job as a fresher? Ooh, I have been there. Hundreds of job applications and hundreds of rejections. I know it's tough, but here's a secret just for you. Microsoft Excel. I call it the backbone of a successful career, and here's why. Today, everything revolves around data. Using Microsoft Excel, you could do data analysis, data visualization, create active dashboards and algorithms, and so much more, which makes you eligible for a lot of roles in several companies. So check out Excel course at AptiSmart. The course covers everything you need from basic functions to complex VBA programs. I know that recorded lectures can take all the fun out of learning. So AptiSmart delivers everything to you through live classes and live interactive sessions. It is time to take your first step towards success. Visit www.aptismart.com and register today.